Today in the Roy Garage, we build some custom power steering hoses to connect the power steering pump to the power steering box. All right, we have some dash 6 hose, some 90-degree fittings, a few fittings for our power steering box, and then a fitting for our power steering pump. So the first thing we're going to do is get these fittings in here. We have 2 fittings that go into our power steering box, and then we have a fitting to the back of the power steering pump. We have our power steering pump right here. We have this low pressure return line that comes right here, and then this is the high pressure out. So originally, I was just gonna take this to the hardware store and get an adapter to go from this fitting to the dash 6 AN lines that we have. I found this part right here, and this part goes straight from here to our dash 6. Let's get this installed. All right, and there you have it. Next, we're going to put these fittings in here and get some measurements on hose length. On here too. All right, I'm not quite sure how the second one's gonna look compared to the first one, so I'm gonna go ahead. I feel really certain about the first hose, the high pressure hose, and how I wanna route that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that one first, and then after that, make the second one. I get that snuck in there. Now let's pull this side through here. Let's see here. This is how I want it. So it looks like we need to turn this a little bit, because if we turn it like this, see, that's what's gonna happen. So let's turn this and then fit it up. All right, check that out, guys. Go from over here, up underneath right there. It can look really nice. And really kind of what I'm thinking right here. And I can zip tie it down below there. So then they come up and they go right in the box just like that. We'll have clearance from the pulley. It'll look pretty. Hose is made. Look at that. They both go down there and they come up just like that. Only thing I'm missing is getting a hose clamp on this, but that ain't going anywhere, trust me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you know when a new video is coming out.